everyone, thank you for watching. I am standing in my kitchen in my usual getup for the past month and who knows how many days. I decided to do my hair and makeup today because it's been at least a week and I wanted to just throw myself together and film a video for you guys. So to the left of me, I have a mountain of packages. Some of it is PR, but a lot of it is just stuff that I've purchased the past month. I haven't opened anything, so I figured it's been a little bit since I've done like an unboxing type video, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I hope everyone is doing okay and hanging in there. I know it's been craziness for everyone the past couple of weeks, but I'm hoping we're in the home stretch. So if you guys want to see what's inside some of these boxes, then please keep watching. So I got my little box cutter here. The first package that I'm going to grab is from Beginning Boutique. It's been like a month since I've opened up any of these. Ooh. These are little socks with moons and stars on them. Cute little socks. I thought these would be cute to wear with like sneakers and then you could have them showing. Cindy, you want to come in? Okay, Cindy helps. So high-waisted shorts with like little holes in them and then a matching little crop. How cute is this? So I would definitely wear like some sort of sweater or jacket over it, but you guys know this really doesn't look like it's going to cover much of a boob. I'll have to try all this on. So next I got this really pretty dress. It's like a midi flowy dress. It's red with some daisies on it. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure they had like buy one dress, get one half off, or there was some sort of deal, and that's why I think I got a couple dresses. So that's really cute. I'm gonna go try on all this afterwards, obviously. It's gonna sound so funny, but look, it's just like a plain white ribbed dress. But I've been looking for one like this. It's like a wife beater type of dress, and really simple, but this with like sneakers. I've been looking for these for like years. Yellow with white trim. Simple, high waist bottom, really cute. I have a yellow Adidas bucket hat. So like my new thing is like bucket hats with bathing suits. I wore that when I was in Bahamas and I haven't gotten a keratin in my hair. And not only that, but like my hair gets super frizzy. So the bucket hats like save the day. This is like a purple, like silky little mini dress. It's like a periwinkle. So pretty. I love dresses like this for like the spring and summertime because they're so easy to just throw on, and like these are simple enough where you could just throw them on with like a pair of sneakers. Even the socks with sneakers would be really cute also. This I gotta definitely try on. It's like a blue silk slip dress. It has the adjustable side, so I think it can be a little bit longer, like a midi dress or a mini. I love the color. I have shoes that match this perfectly. I feel like this color reminds me of Cinderella. So again, gonna try all these on, but these are my items that I picked up from Beginning Boutique. Next up, we have Skims. So I've been wanting to try some of the shapewear for a while, but it's been sold out in my size for like, I don't know, ever since it launched. So I grabbed the sculpting short above the knee and the sculpting short mid-thigh. In my next video, I can give you guys like a little update on some of these. I heard really good things about them, and I feel like if there's anyone who's gonna succeed in doing shapewear right, it's Kim Kardashian. And then these are the shorter ones. First of all, they look like they could fit Cindy. They're so small. What size did I even get? I think I got a small. Yeah, I got a small in these, so I'll definitely try these and let you know. And then I also grabbed the body tape. Next, we have, this is a box from Sephora. I think this is, I ordered the Dyson hair straightener. Yes, I paid for it. So if you guys want a review of it, that's obviously not sponsored. Let me know. I placed a different order with Sephora, which I think I have another box somewhere, but I think this one had to be shipped separately because of, I don't know why actually. So this is the new Dyson Cordless straightener. I've heard a lot about it. I'm really excited to try it. Anytime that they release products, I go out and buy all of them. So if you guys want a review on the Dyson, let me know. Pretty little thing. In defense, they have the craziest prices, and it's always 50% off, so I did grab some things. This was like a cover-up. It's like a midi ribbed dress. It's kind of see-through it looks, so again, I would use this as like a cover-up over a bathing suit. It's really cute. It goes like around the neck, but look how cute this bathing suit is, this one piece. And I believe there was like some sort of headpiece that went with it. This is it. It's like a headband, I think, actually. I thought it was so cute. So the matching headband to go with the bathing suit. I feel really far from the camera right now. I will link everything as always, down in the description box. This isn't like a haul, like a try-on haul. If you guys want a try-on haul for some of the items that I bought, let me know. I could definitely do that also. The funniest thing about Cindy is like anything, oh god, look, first of all, let's talk about her haircut. We shaved her. She had diarrhea a couple days in a row, and there was shit all over my house.
Oh my god. He shit everywhere. There's shit everywhere! Damn it!
So we gave her a little shave, but anytime I do anything, clothes or makeup or anything, she just sits here and watches me. It's the cutest thing. Okay, this is literally everything. So it's a bathing suit top with fringy diamonds on it. It's like short sleeve, freaking incredible. Look how cute this is with the fringies, little diamond fringies. So next I have this pretty blue dress with little angels on it. I love it. And it also has that same tie side, so you can make it a little bit shorter or longer depending on what you want. So next up, these little white beach pants. They're like crochet beach pants and a matching top. I love these, the matching top. So you can wear this over a bathing suit or even as just like an outfit. I got two more things. This is so adorable. It's a little leopard and butterfly mini dress. So cute. Cindy, it matches you, girl. It matches you. And last but not least, I have this green, it's like a one sleeve dress. So it goes like this and like this, so your stomach's out a little bit, but it's a little green mini dress. Obsessed. So like I said, Pretty Little Thing has the best deals. That's why I got a lot of stuff from there. Next, I have a PR box from Artist Couture. I'm so excited for this. I'm sorry, Mama. So this is what it looks like. He's so cute. Look at him. Welcome to the Supreme Nudes era. So we got a nude palette, lipsticks, and diamond glow powders. This is what the palette looks like. Gorgeous. And this is so up my alley because all I wear are nudes. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lipsticks and 6 new. Oh no, these aren't new, I don't think. I think these ones we already had. The Illuminati, yes. Conceited Sugar Daddy, Cocoa Bling, Gold Digger, yeah. I definitely already had these, but they're amazing. I love the loose shimmers. Can you see? They're gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to use these. Congrats to Angel, you're amazing, and you deserve all the success in the world. Let's see what I did here. It's such a huge box, and there's like literally nothing in here. Not nothing, but yeah, not like honestly, it's such a big box for 3 products. I already used up one of these, the Dewy Skin Cream by Tatcha. I love this as like a day cream. So I bought a replacement because I used up the other one. I saw this other Hot Tool product. It's by Moroccan Oil, Smooth Style Ceramic Heated Brush. I actually heard a lot of things about this brush and I really wanted to try it for myself. And then IGK Offline 3-Minute Hydration Hair Mask I also bought. They are vegan and cruelty free, which is amazing. I haven't tried this hair mask yet, but I know me with hair stuff, I go through, like especially masks, I go through so much because I do have a lot of hair. So I'm really excited to try this. So next we have an Ulta box. Pretty sure it's just lashes. I ordered more of the Wispy Lashes by Ardell. I hadn't used them in a while. I was using the Double Up 113s and I love them, but for like a more natural look, the Wispies are amazing. So I bought, they're like 5-pack, and I think it was like buy one, get one 50 off. So we got even more. Let's see, when did I buy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I bought 10 5-packs. That way it'll last me forever and I don't have to worry about using them all up. This is from Summer Friday. So, yeah, Summer Fridays. This is also PR. I don't know how to open it. Ugh. Ow! I can't open it. I'm sweating. Cindy, come in the frame a little. Well, I'd really love. Alright, I'll wait till Anthony gets back from his bike ride. In the meantime, we've got a Morphe box. Also PR. How cute! It's a little clear backpack. And probably like Coachella theme. I think Coachella was supposed to be the weekend that just passed. I went last year for my first time. Really would have no interest in going back. That's just my personal opinion, but ooh. Oh my god, perfect. I'm sweating, so. Honey, you want some? A necklace that says icy. It's cute, but I don't think I would wear a necklace that said icy personally. Oh, this is cute. Like a little water holder, but it's like mushy. It's squishy. We got a pair of sunnies, it looks like. This looks cool. 24A Artist Pass palette. Oh my god, this is actually amazing. Wow, this is really cool. This deserves a close-up. Look at this. So cool. There's a little fanny pack, see-through fanny pack. Oh, this is all by Saweetie. This is Morphe in collaboration with Saweetie. So this is a brush collection inside of the little fanny pack. That is adorable. This is like the most colorful Morphe PR I've ever seen. I love this palette right here. I definitely want to try this out. I do love all the makeup and hair and outfits that everyone does every year. That's like one of my favorite things about Coachella is just to see what everyone else is wearing. This next package, I can't believe I've waited this long to open it because I never really order from this website because their stuff is really expensive. But there was one dress I fell in love with, and then when I went on their website, I kind of just died a little inside. So have you guys heard of the brand For Love and Lemons? How cute. It's a little yellow sweater vest with flowers on it. I thought it was adorable. I thought it was like jeans or something. So do you guys remember when I did that pearl eyeliner look? I definitely will be doing it with this top, so how cute is the top? So we got a little bathing suit. Here's the top. Cindy, excuse you. And the bottom, how cute is the bottom? Cindy! So it's like a little bit of like a high-waisted bottom, and then these ties tie around your hip. Cindy, these are not for you, mommy. And then, are you guys ready for the dress? Cindy. It's a pink mini dress with like a corset style top and like the little puffy sleeves. Let me give you a close-up on this one because this is like insane. The sleeves are like this, so it's off the shoulder. It has like that corset style all the way down. Another bathing suit, but once you see it, you'll understand why. It was like, how could I resist it? Pink and green, and it's like an underwire one. It's like a little ruffly underwire, and the little ruffly bottoms as well. Obsessed. And last but not least, let me get this guy out of the way. I have a box from Sigma. It's a PR. Ooh, this is really pretty. Blossom and Beauty. This is what it looks like. 4 lip glosses. They're really sparkly and beautiful. And a eyeshadow palette. Ooh, really gorgeous. To be honest, I really don't use Sigma much anymore. And it's not that they don't have great products. There's just so many new brands out there now that you kind of, you know, misplace some items. But look how gorgeous this palette is. These colors, again, are like right up my alley. I love like neutrals and pinks. This is really, really beautiful. You know what? I forgot. I have one more big giant box that I haven't opened yet. I'm going to open it on camera because see how freaking big this thing is? Ugh! When it came, Anthony was like, come on. Come on now. I hope there's not a living person in here. What's in the box is another box. Why? I don't know. It's so heavy. Okay, so since we're quarantined, this to me seems like one of the biggest necessities. So it comes with canvas. It comes with a little paint guide. It comes with an easel. And there's just so many things in here. I'm not even going to open it right now, but I'm going to show you guys a picture of what comes in the kit. It's all different paints, and me and Anthony have been talking how we wanted to just paint because, right, what else is there to do with our time? So we bought coloring books and colored pencils, so we've been doing that a lot, but this I've been the most excited about, and I just kind of want to keep it in here until we actually use it. But there's like all different paint brushes, oil paints, acrylic paints, all kinds of stuff in here. So I think it makes more sense to leave it in here. Otherwise, I'm not going to really have a home for it until we decide to use it, which we're probably going to do later today, actually. So that's what's in that big box that I've been dying to open, and of course, I still didn't even really open it. So that is everything that I've purchased last month. And yeah, I know it's a lot of stuff, but sitting home with not a lot to do equals online shopping a lot more than, no, I'm not even say a lot more than usual because I do love to online shop, but a little bit more than usual. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want a fashion haul, try on haul for spring, let me know because I do have a lot of new things I can't wait to try on. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone is safe and doing well. I love you guys so much, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.